Down news dictation 60 new para. Islamabad the federal government has deployed more than 10,000 police and paramilitary personnel for the security of about 900 delegates who will arrive in Islamabad for the 23rd Shanghai Cooperation Organization Summit to be held on October 15 and 16. Full stop. Police officials said the police and paramilitary personnel were deployed for the safety of delegations, routes, and venues of prevent any untoward incident during the high-profile summit hosted by Pakistan at the Jinnah Convention Center. Full stop. The delegates will stay at different places in the capital located inside the red zone or in the vicinity, as 14 locations in the capital have been arranged for their accommodation. Delegates from China, Russia, Tajikistan, Iran, Kyrgyzstan, Uzbekistan, Turkmenistan and India will arrive between October 13 and 15 and depart on October 17. Full stop. New para. The Vice President of Iran and the Indian Foreign Minister will also arrive in Islamabad for the moot. Full stop. Police sources said at least 6,643 officials of the Capital Police, 1,000 Frontier Constabulary FC personnel, 2,000 personnel of the Punjab Constabulary, and 888 Rangers personnel will perform security duties from October 13 to 17 in 3 tiers. Full stop. They will be assisted by the military. Full stop. 2,000 to 358 on routes, 2,358 will protect accommodations, 459 at the conference venue, 122 at the inner and intermediate cordons, 222 officials at different points in the high security zone, and 37 officials in the parking area, and 72 people will perform duties in the control room. Full stop. 124 vehicles will be deployed for the motorcade, with 84 accompanying the heads of states, and 44 other delegates. Full stop. New para. The officers said that 24 points on route and 19 points on route 2 had been declared sensitive from the airport to the high security zone. Full stop. Besides, there are 21 sensitive points in the funnel area, they added. Full stop. According to officials, 24 points of route 2 are sensitive from the airport to the high security zone, and police officials deployed for protocol duties would be armed with SMGs. Full stop. Likewise, 6 and 4 places respectively have been declared safe houses during the movement of VVIPs on route 1 and route 2. Full stop. 15 points on route 1 will be plugged and blocked during the movement. Full stop. The Islamabad Police, civil armed forces, and other law enforcement agencies are expected to perform their duties under the strict guidelines set out in the Blue Book among other applicable SOPs. Full stop. The end.